Vyminal here, back at it again with another video review. Today I have in my hands the limited edition Rakk Kimat XT.2 Anniversary RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard featuring my personal favorite, gateron blue switches. The Rakk Kimat XT.2 has been the keyboard of choice for many Filipino gamers nationwide, and Rakk has decided to enhance one of their best-selling products with the anniversary edition of the said board. This mechanical keyboard is priced at an affordable 2,895 pesos and is packed full of features, so let's get right into the review to see what it's all about. First up, as always, is product packaging. The Rakk Kimat XT.2 Anniversary Edition makes a good minimal first impression with a clean chrome Rakk logo in the middle of the black cardboard box. On the upper left edge of the box, you'll find the product name and gateron blue switch tag. I appreciate the restraint and box design while still being able to convey most of the information you need to know about the product features at the back of the box. On the back side, you'll find product specifications, main features, system requirements, and it also highlights the inclusion of a single keycap with the Rakk logo on it. This is great attention to detail, and I'm sure fans of the brand would enjoy using it. Unlike previous box designs, this one doesn't show how the RGB functionality looks, but again, this is all part of the minimal theme, which I am a big fan of. Opening the box, you'll find the keyboard snugly contained in a protective foam wrap that we've seen in all of their products. Aside from the keyboard itself, the package comes with a keycap puller, and as I mentioned earlier, the special single keycap with the Rakk logo on it, presumably meant to be used to replace the escape button keycap. The full-size board weighs a hefty 1.3 kilograms and translates to the overall build quality of the board. Once you hold it in your hands when unboxing, you'll know that this board is built to last. Due to the sturdy aluminum top panel, the board doesn't flex at all, despite trying to do so. It measures 49 centimeters in length, 5 centimeters in width, and 19 centimeters in height. As for its design, the keyboard still features ninja-style keycaps with the lettering on the sides as opposed to the top side of the UV-coated keycaps. This gives the board that unique, clean, minimal look. The main highlight of this anniversary edition release, however, is the Vyminal lettering on top of the keycaps. This is a truly standout feature that I personally have never seen on any other keyboard, and it symbolizes Rakk's commitment and advocacy in pushing Filipino gaming. The side panel design has also changed with this board. Instead of the hexagon pattern we've seen before, it now features a design that looks of indigenous origin, matching the Vyminal theme of the board. Other than the anniversary edition branding on the side panels, the only Rakk branding you'll see on the board is a tiny chrome logo on top of the arrow keys. The board has a frameless floating keycap design that showcases the gateron switches underneath the keycaps. This works especially well for making the RGB lighting functions more visible. Behind the keyboard, you'll find two retractable feet that tilts the board at an angle for ergonomic purposes, as well as a cable routing system, which is a nice touch. Now onto the specifications of the product. The Kimat XT.2 Anniversary Edition has laser-etched UV-coated ABS keycaps, gateron blue mechanical switches with 60 grams of required actuation force, 50 million keystroke lifespan, RGB backlighting with 16.8 million customizable color options, 100% anti-ghosting with 104 key rollover, fully programmable keys with macro recording, 1000 Hz ultra polling rate, and a braided fiber cable that measures 1.6 meters in length. I'm a big fan of gateron blue switches because in my personal opinion, they feel a bit smoother compared to Cherry MX Blues. Typing and gaming on this board felt very tactile and precise, as you'd expect from the loud clicky blue switches. Though I prefer gateron over Cherry, you might think otherwise. And when it comes to mechanical switches, it all boils down to personal preference, so keep this in mind. Here's a quick sound test so you can hear how the keyboard sounds when typing on it. The keyboard boasts plug-and-play connectivity, and you can fully control the RGB functions of the board without the need for software. However, the option is there to utilize the Kimat Fine-Tuner software, which is available to download on the Rakk website if you so choose. The edge and side panel has 8 lighting options, while the keys have 14 different lighting options. Here's what they look like. Overall, the Rakk Kimat XT.2 edition is a great keyboard for fans of the Rakk brand, and is a great entry point into the world of mechanical keyboards due to its affordable price tag. Despite the affordable price tag, however, it still packs a lot of features you'll find on most high-end boards. You also can't go wrong with the gateron mechanical switch, and I'm sure a lot of you will agree with me. If you're looking for a uniquely Filipino keyboard, look no further than the limited edition Rakk Kimat XT.2 anniversary board. This has been Vyminal. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you found this video to be informative. I'll catch you next time.